Hello boys and girls. Do you like playing tennis? Have a look here on the girl Tina and the boy Tom. They love playing tennis and they are very good at it. They also like going camping. And one of the things they do when they go camping is bringing the tennis racket and the tennis ball to play tennis. When they went camping, you can see they have got a tent. When they started to play, Tina hit the ball to Tom. Tom hit the ball back to Tina. Tina hit back the ball to Tom. Tom hit back the ball to Tina. Oh my goodness, they are playing such a wonderful tennis game. All the animals around could hear the sound. So this is our sound for today. Table, table. Tent, tent. Top, top. Tiger, tiger. This is sound tent, tent. This is top, top. Excellent, boys and girls. Let me show you how are we going to write capital T and small t. Again, these are my 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Capital T starts from line 1. I go straight down till I hit line number 3 and a dash on line number 1. Again, this is the starting dot. I go down till line number 3, stop, and a dash on line number 1. Small t lies between lines 1 and 3. I start from line 1. I go straight down till I hit line number 3 with a small umbrella stick. Then I go back on line number 2 and make a small dash. Again, from line number 1, I go straight down till I hit line number 3, a small umbrella stick. Then I go back to line number 2 and draw a dash. So this is capital T, small t, and the sound is t. Capital T, small t, and the sound is t. Thank you so much. Bye bye.